Jared Abbott from Transport Workers Union. Explain to us exactly why drivers are unhappy with their current wage offer.
It's one of the problems is that people's wage increases, they're always a year behind. They also haven't been keeping up with the cost of living, and they change for different industries. So for an industry like transport, where there's a high demand for it, but a low level of actual people staying in the industry, and especially for bus drivers, we need to make sure that we can actually provide the service, meaning we need drivers in seats. And to do that, we need to be able to attract them into the job. So what we're saying is that the WPI doesn't cut it. The 3.75 that the company's offering, that's very nice, but it's not good enough to actually deal with the problems in the industry. And what we're looking for is more around the 7% mark for this year.
That's Jared Abbott from the Transport Workers Union. So both the union and the bus company Kinetic are describing that situation as indefinite. Looks like you might not have to pay for trips for quite some time on the Sunshine Coast if you're hopping on the bus.